Hello children, nice to meet you all again. I hope we have finished all the lessons what was there for the SAM, how much the government have reduced and all. So now we will revise, just we will have a rehearsal like what we have learned. Okay, today there is a less work, today there will be less work for you all. And what you all should do with the less work, you all say me? If less work is there, how the work should be there? In hurry burry, you all will be writing dirty. Today, writing part also is not too much. It will be little only. So, what you all should do? I want you all to write the words practice. What you all will practice for the exam, no? It should be neat. It should be clean and neat. How you all will write neatly? First you all take, continue the numbers of all the lesson meanings I will be reading, no, all the lesson meanings you will do one side only children. And next what you all will do? Next what all will do you all see me? Afterwards what you all should do, and whatever meanings you have written, those in, for example in first lesson 4 meanings are there, and that from 4 meanings all you should, when you will write all the words from those meanings, what you all should do? You all take the rough notebook, write all the words and keep and leave the place there to practice afterwards for that. Okay, to practice it afterwards. To practice it afterwards. Okay, to practice it how you are, so that it will be easy for you all to learn the meanings perfectly afterwards. Perfectly afterwards. It will be very easy for you. If you know the spellings, you can read and you can write. Whatever, if you know the spellings, you will be perfect, and you all don't have to fear for anyone what they will ask. So only one time you all write it, but when you write it only one time, I want you all to write it neatly. How you all should write it? Neatly. I hope you all remember these points and continue the numbers. How many meanings will be there? Those you all continue it. Okay. In first lesson you see the 3 butterflies petals. I hope you all remember that. The colorful parts of a flower that are sometimes shaped like leaves. Shelter, to provide a place where someone is safe. Rather, prefer or wish to. Understood? Desert, to leave someone without helping. Here you see children, here you see this spelling. Here you see children, colorful, flower, sometimes, shape, leaves, provide, place, someone, prefer, without, helping. These all spellings you see. And here this word spellings also you all don't know. You think, if you know, it's okay. Which you don't know, you write in rough note, leave the gap. Afterwards you all can practice it. Last year books are there, however. Afterwards you all can practice that spelling so that it will be easy for you to learn any bit in this way. When you are perfect in spellings, you will learn and you will write it neatly, I know that. So first copy the spellings also. Here you see 3 meanings are there. Here excuse spelling also you write, patiently also you write, admit also you write. Okay, excuse, a reason that you give to explain your mistake. Here you see reason, explain, mistake. These 3 will be little bit tough for you. If you know, it's okay then. Patiently means what? Calmly. Calmly spelling also you all write. Admit, to accept that you have made a mistake. In third one, accept and mistake spelling you all write. Okay. Console, to make someone feel better than they are feeling sad, or when they are feeling sad or disappointed. Here disappointed spelling is there, feeling spelling is there, which is tough for you all, which you are feeling hard to write without seeing, that you can practice it in the rough note book. Okay. Malaria, a disease that a person gets when a type of mosquito bites her or him. Gutter, the part at the side of a road where water collects and flows away. First meaning, first you see disease, person, mosquito, these spellings. In second one, collects, flows. Away spelling I hope you all know. If you know it's okay, otherwise you practice it. Ditches, long narrow holes dug at the side of a field or road to hold or remove unwanted water. Unwanted, field, narrow, remove. These spellings you all have to write. Breeding place, a place where animals or insects, for example mosquitoes, give birth to their young ones in a large number. Here you see insects. Okay, young. If you want, you can write birth also, large also. Dawn, the time just before the sunrise. Here all the spellings are easy, but also if you feel hard, you can write. You can write malaria spelling, gutter, ditches, breeding place, dawn, dusk, repellent, infectious, and virus. Dusk, the time just before night. Repellent, the substance that drives things away. Infectious, a disease that can be passed from person to person. Virus, a very tiny living substance that can cause diseases. Here you see substance is there. Yes or no? Drives, things, person. Which you feel tough, you practice that. Eagerly, with interest, to show excitement about something that is going to happen. Here you see first one, excitement. Interest spelling also, if you don't know, you can practice it, isn't it? Corridor, a long narrow passage on a train or between rooms in a building. Here you see narrow passage. Building spelling also you want, you can write it, children. Yes or no? Yes. Announced, to tell people something in a loud voice. Pleased, very happy. Pleased means what? Very happy. See here, eagerly spelling, corridor spelling, announced spelling, pleased spelling. Yes, I hope you all understood this. And which spellings are tough, you practice it in the rough notebook, and afterwards 5 meanings you write yourself only. 5 meanings you write yourself. You write one side words, write by it, take the book, then correct yourself. You see how far quickly you all will learn. You all will learn everything. If you do yourself work, no, you all will learn. If others will say you all, it will feel torture for you all. First you all try to learn yourself. Self-learning should be there always. Okay, self-learning should be there always. Then only you can move up. Yes or no, children? Yes, it is not tough. I want you all to do this. Once more I am repeating. Write all the meanings one side. Continue the numbers. Write all the words which are tough for you all in the rough notebook. Only one time neatly, one finger distance. I don't want the dirty book for the correction. Okay, write it neatly again and again I am saying. Meet you all in the next class, children. Bye.